Hi everyone! We are super excited to tell you about the Digital Microscope 1200X. It's like a magic window that lets you see tiny things up close, like the tiniest bugs or even cells. It's got a special camera that takes really clear pictures and videos, and you can even measure stuff with it. This versatile device features adjustable LED lights and a high-resolution camera, allowing for clear imaging and precise measurements. Whether you're a student, a scientist, or just someone who loves exploring, this microscope is going to blow your mind. You can buy it online at www.apictures.lk. We've got a great selection of microscopes and other cool gadgets. Or give a call 07044 for more.